Thanks for logging on to NewsLink Indiana. I'm weather forecaster Michael Behrens. This time lapse today shows the first round of rain that moved through earlier this morning. Gave us a good soaking, but the sun came out after that, dried things up, and in fact destabilized us just a little bit, and is it contributing more toward the stronger storms we could see this afternoon, this evening. Right now it's 72 here in Muncie, which is actually warmer than we thought it was originally going to get today before that break in the clouds happened. Really warmed things up. The dew point's really sticky high as well, 63. It's really helping to destabilize that air. Our severe threat for the rest of the night, the slight risk over most of central Indiana, including Muncie. We'll break it down for you. There is a very slight risk of tornadoes in the overnight hour. That's due to the shear in our environment right now, though the damaging winds going to be our biggest threat. A little bit more substantial risk for damaging winds in our overnight than anything else. Right now we are under a tornado watch as of 8 o'clock. This goes until 1 o'clock this morning, and it's for this line of storms back out toward the west. It's been causing lots of thunderstorm warnings. No tornado warnings in the past little bit, but it did put down a few tornado warnings down in parts near Evansville and as it moved closer towards central Indiana, but it's switched over to more of a severe thunderstorm threat since then. And now the reason it's had those tornado warnings and the reason it continues to have this tornado watch is this right here. This is what's called wind shear. It's picked up by our precision cast product here, and you can see the wind shear over the past 2 hours. It's really continued across the region, and it's going to continue for the next little bit. For those of you that don't know what wind shear is, it's basically when you have wind at one level going one direction, wind at another level going the other direction, it starts to create that spin in the atmosphere, and we have a lot of that going on right now, which is why we have that tornado threat and that tornado watch until 1 a.m. Precision cast radar here will track these storms through the overnight. By 2 o'clock, should be raining here in Muncie. The storms around. They continue through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Thunderstorms still possible tomorrow morning by 8 o'clock, and the rain sticks around throughout the rest of the day as well. And into Wednesday, still rain in Wednesday. We're not dry yet, and we're not going to be dry until after Thursday. This low pressure system just continues to spin that moisture around. Still rain showers in the afternoon hours of Wednesday, and these rain showers last into the afternoon hours of Thursday. The cloud cover remains in place. That doesn't get out of here until Friday before the sunshine returns. For tonight, rain and storms strong to severe at times, 65 miles per hour, or 65 degrees are high, winds 10 to 20 plus with some of those gusts. Tomorrow, 70 degrees, the rain and storms lingering around into the afternoon hours again, and the rain showers beyond that. Take a look at this rainy pattern. Rain pretty much for the rest of this week until Friday. We're actually expecting to see a decent amount of rainfall to come out of the system as well. As we take a look at this, this is the rainfall estimates over the next 2 days. As much as 1.38 inches here in Muncie, possible 1.82 across parts of southern Indiana. Terre Haute even coming in at 2.6 inches of rain, though we do clear up after the end of Friday. Once again, a brief warm-up Friday, 66 degrees, but we cool down after that. 60 degrees on Saturday, Sunday mostly sunny, 59. Rain chances return next Monday at a high of 56. Thanks for logging on. Remember to follow us on Twitter at NLI Weather.